Okay, thank you for joining us. This is Math with Marcus. This is a 7th grade question from Course 2. It's question number 10, and it's saying Mario ordered a pizza for dinner. When it arrived, Mario quickly ate 1/8 of the pizza. While Mario was getting napkins, the poodle ate 1/3 of the pizza. That rascally old poodle, you. So I wanted to think of, well, it's difficult to have the pizza cut into eighths and have it cut into thirds. So I wanted to come up with some kind of common denominator. And here we go. We've got a pizza that's now cut into 24ths. I'm using the multiplicative identity. Thanks, Miss Hart, for that. What's happening? Oh, no. Oh, no. All right, let's see. So let's get here. So 8 times 3 gets us 24. So 1 times 3 is 3/24. So Mario ate 3/24, and the poodle ate 8/24. He ate 8/24. Oh my gosh. All right, let's try this again. Craziness. All right. All right, the bell just rang, so it's a little bit noisy if you hear some background noise. That's kids walking by my classroom. So while I had it on pause, I went ahead and colored in the 3 slices of pizza, the 3/24 that Mario ate, and the 8/24 that the poodle ate. So in total, they ate 11/24. So that's A, draw a model of the pizza that shows the portion that's been eaten. Write a numerical expression. So we don't want an equal sign here. So we want just an expression that shows the fraction of the pizza that's left. So to find what's left, we need to take the whole pizza. So 1 whole pizza. So 1 pizza minus what's already been eaten. So minus Mario's and minus what the poodle ate. That is an expression for what's left. Now we can simplify that expression. So we can simplify that, or we could write 20. Oh, what is going on? We could write 24. Okay. Or we can write 1 whole is the same thing as 24/24 minus 11/24. That is also an expression for the pizza that's left, right? The answer to that will be how much is left. And which, I'm curious, which is, if we simplify that even further, we would get 13/24. All right, now about what percent of the pizza is left? So if it was 12 out of 24, that would be exactly 1/2. So he's got a little more. So this is about 50% of the pizza. That's how much he's got, about 50%. All right, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and talk to you guys soon.